everyone, welcome to Adventures in Everyday Cooking, where every day can be an adventure in your kitchen, especially right now when everybody's bored and everybody wants to try something new. So I saw the recipe that everybody's talking about on TikTok, where it's kind of like this whip frothy Korean coffee, and I thought, shoot, why not? Let's try it. So let's do this quick video, see if it works. Let's get started. All right, first things first, we have 2 tablespoons of water, 2 tablespoons of instant coffee, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Okay, looks like coffee to me. Now we are going to take our whisk. I'm using one of these Hamilton Beach automatic whiskers. So it's gonna get loud in here, but we'll just quiet it and put it on fast forward as we see if this works. Wow, see that? What a mess, don't do that. I think I should have used a bigger bowl, but it is working. Wow, so in just a couple seconds, this is working. Check that out. Look at that. Huh. Okay, the only thing I'd do differently is get a bigger bowl. All right, now that I have cleaned up, inside I have some ice, and I'm going to fill it up with half and half, not too full. And we are just going to dollop this right on the top. How stinking fun is that? Look at that. Huh. I really did not think that this was going to work. I thought this was one of those hyped up things. So check it out. So you definitely have the coffee layer and the milk layer. Right, so now I guess what we're supposed to do is we're supposed to mix it up and then drink it. First, I'm gonna try it alone. I'm sure it's gonna be really strong. Oh yeah, really strong. Don't do that. Okay. Okay, we're just gonna mix it up. You see that? All right. Oh. 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 That's not bad. I don't know why I would want to whip up my coffee with sugar. It almost tastes, I don't know, it's good. I mean, it's good. It does work. It's cool. Huh, okay, well there you have it. This works. Hope you enjoyed. Well, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends to say, this does indeed work. I did that in 3 minutes. So yeah, as long as you have a little hand mixer. I've heard that if you don't have a little hand mixer, it will take a very long time and a lot of elbow grease. But I just happen to have a little hand mixer that I could use with a whisk attachment. So, did make a mess. So there was that. but this is definitely a good party trick. Definitely good. All right, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, share it with your friends. I do videos twice a week at least. During this quarantine though, when I get bored, like now, I'll see a video and I'll say, hey, does that work? Does it blend? It does blend. So we'll see you next time, you guys. Bye.